How do you respond to the entire all-party delegation that's gone abroad?
Look, it's a great exercise. It's probably a good stunt, but I feel that the Prime Minister, should also be answerable to the people of this country. We have some very valid questions about where the terrorists are, why have the terrorists not been caught, why are they still at large, why is the government not talking about their arrest? Secondly, why is Trump making all the moves? And why is Trump, when he's trying to make India look weak, why is the government silent about it? Is Modi government responsible for making the country look weak? Because Operation Sindoor was going very well. We had an edge. Our Army, Navy, Air Force were performing so well, and this statement of Trump has just left everybody feeling very demoralized, and Modi ji is responsible for that. Why did the Minister of External Affairs reveal such sensitive information to his Pakistani counterpart about before the start of Operation Sindoor? That we're going to attack the terrorist camps and not the Pakistani army. Was this not a threat to our security? And because of that, were there any losses because of the information that was divulged? This is the question we need to answer. And why is Modi ji not convening a special session of Parliament, or why is he not chairing a joint all-party meeting, as has been asked by a leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, and Congress President Kharge ji?
Shinde, you're asking questions continuously here on the home turf, but you underlined it yourself that it's a stunt that the delegation is going abroad, and yet your party members, MPs, are part of that stunt.
Look, we believe in a constructive opposition. We believe in a democracy. When it comes to a conflict, when it comes to being united against a foreign nation, we are one, and that is very clear. And this is a neutral delegation that's going, and we hope that he will also answer to the people of this country before answering to the people outside this country. And I'm sure the members of this delegation will portray a very clear, neutral picture and full respect to the armed forces, the efficiency with which they performed, and that is what needs to go outside the country, and that's exactly.
Salman Khurshid is saying that there was no intervention by Trump. He is answering it for the government, saying that this is a bilateral dialogue that happened.
Dialogues were always on. The dialogues were always, there were interlocutors always present in the US while Operation Sindoor was going on, and after the Pahalgam attack. But the tweet about the ceasefire is something that India didn't know about, the government didn't know about, and we were caught unawares with that tweet. The dialogues were always on, but it was that tweet that the Indian government didn't know about that made the government look extremely weak. And the armed forces
speaking in different voices.
No, we're all on one page. We're all on one page. There is no issue at all. The dialogues were going on, but the tweet was a surprise. The tweet was a surprise. When Operation Sindoor was ongoing, when there were attacks ongoing, suddenly Trump, who has contradicted most of his statements and not given correct statements, has said that this has been going on for 1,000 years, or he said we should not be involved, and Vance gives another statement. That is what is the surprising part. And why is the Indian government not given clarification about that? We should have come across very strongly after that tweet saying we don't need your intervention, just like when Mrs. Gandhi was there, and hardliner like Nixon also had to give in, and Pakistan had to surrender. Why didn't India government take such a strong stand?
Thank you very much for talking to us. That was Praniti Shinde laying it out for the Congress party. With video journalist Amit Badwa, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi.